guys hear the rain? I hope everyone's doing super dandy today, because for today's video, we are at my favorite Value Village. This one's my favorite because they always have the best items here, and there's never that many people here, and I just love shopping when there's like no one there. So let's head in. Oh no, they're not open yet. We can sit here for a second. It's raining. You guys hear that rain? Still not open. 2 more minutes. There's 2 people in line. That's why I love this store, because no one's ever here. Run, 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 run. Ooh, this jacket looks funky. That is so funky. Looks like an 80s jacket, and it's 10 bucks. Okay, but I'm not gonna start in the jackets first. I want to go to the purses. Found them. That one's kind of cool. It's like a patchwork one. It's $49. Ooh, here's a crochet bag. A handmade one, that's cool. Can't believe someone donated this. I never find crochet stuff, and here's the second bag I've already found. Okay, next section is the boots here, because I would love to find another pair of cowboy boots. These ones are cute, but they look itty bitty. Rats. That was it for boot. So I'm trying to find a quilted jacket, so I'm gonna try my best not to get any other jackets but a quilted jacket if I find it. So last time I was thrifting, I found this beautiful green kind of blazer coat, and I'm kind of regretting not getting it, so let's try this pink one on. So because it's spooky season, Value Village likes to organize all their clothes, or their funkier clothes, costume clothes, in like categories around the store. And I'm not really sure what category this is. So it's supposed to be like Janie hippie vibes. Not really sure, but it's super funky, this one. So I'm gonna check out this one. So I found this skirt. That was the only thing I found in that section, and I'm not sure the brand, but I think it's kind of fun. I also found this, which I just like it because it's super, super soft and cozy. So more like a loungewear find. Oh my goodness, did I miss this? I could be a butterfly for Halloween. This is perfect. Only $3.99. Put you in here. Okay, so this section, again, not really sure of the category here. Okay, I got bored with the costumes, so sweater time. Wow, there's a lot of handmade stuff here today. Here's a handmade crochet sweater here, $15.99. This sweater looks so cozy and soft. It's only $4.99. Yeah, I like this one. In the cart you go. Do I like you? Do I not like you? Do I just like you because you're 100% silk? This one feels like another 80s find. The pattern is really, really cool. $6.49. Got some shoulder pads too. Bonus. Next section. No, no, nope, nope, no. So, not much in the sweaters and nothing in the long sleeves, which I'm kind of disappointed because I actually do need more long sleeves, because you know in those days where it's cold, but is not cold enough to be like in a sweater because then you're sweating, but then if you're in a t-shirt, you're cold. So you need like a long sleeve. Yeah, I need more long sleeves for those days. I only have one average ugly long sleeve. Oh wait, never mind. There's one more section of long sleeves that I missed. Bonus. Okay, I just found a Juicy shirt. It says, Juicy, wanted by all. What is this? It's got like danglers on there. Second update. I just finished the long sleeves, the other aisle of long sleeves, and I found this, which I don't know. I like it, but I'm not like super excited about it, so I'll try it on. It's more like a sweater rather than just like a traditional long sleeve. I still thought it was cute. That's it I found in 2 whole aisles. Okay, t-shirts next, which I have just been seeing so much tie-dye today. It's honestly incredible. Never mind, I skipped the t-shirts and I'm in the tank tops for some reason, but they have this one here, which I like. Kind of don't know if I like at the same time, which could be I'm onto something. $6.49. but is it practical? I always don't know what to do with tank top sweaters. Like, they really confuse me, but it also has like this little slit here. Is that for your leg? I think we need to try her on. Ooh, this one is fancy. Look at that. $6.99. Should I get a shirt with bananas on it? I don't know how I feel about this skirt with this huge pocket like right in the middle of the butt. It's just so odd. I have this exam lamp in pink. I think I have 2 pinks and 1 blue. So I found one sweater. This Prince Edward Island one. I have never been there, but I want to go there. That's the next place in Canada I want to visit. Last place was Montreal. I went there. Next place, Alberta and Prince Edward. You got it. So after my last video, a lot of you guys said that I should just make my own quilted jacket and just find a quilt at the thrift store. That's kind of cute. I'm gonna look and see if I can find a quilt, or even like I could do like a patchwork quilt jacket from a whole bunch of different little quilts. Like these are those pillowcases. Okay, I see one quilt here. And I don't think I love the fabric, like the pattern here. Look at this rocking horse. That is so cool. So I just went through everything in my cart. So I'm gonna show you what I'm not getting. Because a lot of times I find stuff, I forget to show you guys, and then I put it back so no one sees it. So these are what I'm not getting. This sweater, because I realized I'm actually wearing a Yukon one, like another, well, I guess it's a territory. Technically this is a province, but you get the point. It's a place in Canada. Not getting this top here. Not a huge fan of the color, and it's just a little too big. This one, I'm just still not excited about it. This skirt I'm putting back too, and I like it, but I just don't think I'd wear it that much, so going back. This jacket, I love it, but I just don't think I would wear it that much, and I'm just really on the hunt for a quilted jacket, so I'm gonna, you know, hold off on this jacket, not get it, just because it's not like 100% me. I prefer green or other colors. Not a huge pink fan. And last thing I'm putting back is the butterfly wings because they're made for toddlers. I am back now with a haul, and I actually got something for Benson, which I'm so excited about. I rarely get stuff for Benson at the thrift store, but because Halloween's coming up, I got, you can come in, come on. I got Mr. Benson here a little costume. We'll try that on at the end. When I just bent down to pick up Benson there, I ripped my pants. I have never ripped a pair of pants before. And they're one of my favorite pants. I freaking ripped the crotch. Look at that. Well, there's a first. Well, these need to be sewn up and fixed, so BRB, I need to put pants on now. Okay, these pair of jeans hopefully won't rip now. First item is just some yarn. I found more green yarn. Green yarn is my weakness, so I found 2 of this yarn. It also came in this yarn. Now for some clothes. First thing I got was the sweater. It's originally from Old Navy, and it is honestly the softest thing I've ever felt in my life. So this is just gonna be a loungewear one where I wake up in the morning and I put this on while I'm working on my computer editing videos. It is so soft and cozy. Oh my goodness. It's actually kind of cute too. Now that I look at it on, I didn't think I would like it, but it's actually kind of cute. It's like this little tie-dye one, even though I'm not like super into tie-dye, or you know, yeah, it's good, it's okay. Next one is another sweater. I found this really cute green one, and it is also super, super soft and cozy. I thought this one would look really good with just like this polo underneath, so here we go. Yeah, it's cute like this. This one I also think was cheap. I think everything I got was cheap today. I didn't spend very much. I think it was like 20 bucks everything. $4.99! This one was only $4.99. It is honestly like the softest thing in the world. I think it's vintage by looking at the tag, but I don't know. I just like it. I like it. It's green. It looks really good with this collar. Just nice fall find. Next one is a little bit of a project just because this is a Zara shirt I found. It's really, really nice. It kind of reminds me of the other red shirt I was wearing in my last thrift with me. Very similar. I'm starting to really like red now. Not like red sweaters, but like red shirts. Pretty stoked I found this one. It's actually brand new with tags, but the seam is coming apart just a tiny bit here at the front. Right here, but it's such an easy fix. Like I can just do a top stitch and fix it. It's not that big of a deal. So I got it. It was only that little problem and brand new with tags. I guess this little band adds a little bit extraness to it. Okay, so maybe not with this bra. I'd have to get like a V neck bra, or I don't know what you wear this with this, but I really like it. I just need to figure out what bra to wear with it because I really do like the color. Unless, yeah, I don't know what bra to wear with it, but I think it's cute. It's only $5. So our last one, yeah, our last one before it's Benson's turn for his fashion show. I ended up getting this top right here, and I think it's gonna look good. I also hope it fits. Like it might be a little small. It doesn't really stretch much, so it's really hard to zip this. Oh, I got it. Oh, can we zip it all the way though? Ooh, is she backwards? She might be backwards now that I have this on. Maybe the zipper's in the front. I don't know. Let me try it in the front. No, I don't know. The tag's in the back here. Maybe it's, I don't know. It's hard to tell which way it's supposed to be. Either way is just like really tight because I just have a really wide rib cage and no boobs. So it's a little bit big in the boob area and a little bit too tight in the rib cage. Yeah, that's tight. Yeah. Okay, it's on. Yeah, the boob area is a little saggy. Like it's not fitting the best in this area. Like it has a little bit of stretch in the boobs here, but I just don't have much to fill it out. Okay, but that's all I found for myself. So here's Benson's haul. I found this little Dracula costume for Benson. I got you a little surprise today. So Benson, I got you a little surprise today for Halloween because Halloween's coming up. And I know you told me you didn't want to be an inmate again this year, right? You are going to be Dracula. Can I try this on you? Hopefully you like it. Ooh, this one, oh, it might be a little big on you, but that's okay. There, you got a little bow tie. Look how handsome you look. What do we think? Can you give us a little walk? It's a little big on you, and I'm sorry. I always forget how tiny you are. And there's limited costumes at the thrift store for dogs. Oh, yeah, it is a little big. I think we're going to have to alter it just a tad bit, which that's okay. I can alter it. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. It's a little big, but I will fix it. It's just a little big here, which I can always sew and make it smaller, make it fit you perfect. But do you like your costume even though it's too big? Yes, I think you like it because it's nice and cozy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of alterations, but it's good up here. Like we're good, you know, in the chest area. It's just down here. You're not as tall and wide as I thought you were. There. And then you'll have a nice long cape. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's thrift with me and thrift haul. Let me know down below in the comments which item was your favorite today. I think mine is Benson's costume, even though it's a little big for him and I always think you're so much bigger, but it's okay. We will alter it and you will just look super dandy on Halloween. I'm gonna go now. Have a great rest of your day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.